What's up everyone, and thank you for stopping by the channel. Today's project is this Stihl leaf blower, and the problem is that I was told that it would not start till the broken primer bulb was changed. Let's take a good look at it and see if that's the case, and hopefully we can fix it. In this video, we try and repair this blower. However, it may not be the exact repair you need to make to yours. We'll explore other options later in the video. Now, we did explore this topic before in a previous video. We were told that the equipment wouldn't start due to the broken primer bulb, when in fact it turned out to be a carburetor problem. So let's see if we can get this thing started in the state that it's in. So it's kind of hard to tell that the bulb is even broken, mainly because it's darkened over time and also because the crack is very small. So let's make the crack worse just to prove a point. So there you go, it's much worse now. So let's try starting it, obviously without priming the fuel system, and see exactly what happens. Well, it started very easily, so the bulb must have been cracked pretty recently. So even though the primer bulb is split wide open, it still started and ran just fine. And that means that the carburetor is in good condition and we probably don't need to inspect it. We also need to replace the primer bulb as well. I'm going to take off the recoil assembly to get more room to remove the primer bulb and also for a better view to film. It's also a bit dirty and hairy in here, so let's blow it off before we continue on. Now that it's much cleaner, all we need to do is remove the 4 bolts that hold the retaining plate and the primer bulb to the carburetor. Now, make sure you buy the correct size primer bulb, and in this case, it's about the size of a nickel. Now, the main reason for the primer bulb, or the purge bulb, depending where you're from, is to help get the fuel from the tank to the carburetor, making it easier to start. But if you've ever tried using a very old piece of 2-cycle equipment, you'll find that they didn't have them. Instead, the act of pull starting the engine will draw the fuel into the carburetor. After taking the plate off, simply push the old bulb out and then put a new one in, and then reverse the procedure. Another reason why your blower may not be starting is a leaking carburetor. It'll flood the engine and make starting it pretty much impossible. The fix for that, of course, is to replace the carb. Now that the bulb is on, let's press it a few times and make sure that it fills up with fuel. We want to at least make sure that there aren't any air leaks since we took 4 of the bolts off the carburetor. And since it's filling up just fine, let's reinstall the recoil assembly and try starting it again. It's kind of funny that it started better when the primer bulb was broken, but it did seem to run a lot better this time. I did have to increase the idle speed just a little bit, otherwise it was a pretty simple repair, but it could have easily been a lot worse. So my question is, have you ever fallen for the line, oh, all it needs is a primer bulb and it'll run again, only to find out later on that it needed a new carburetor? I know it's happened to me a few times, but I'm more interested in your answer. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please feel free to ask any questions. and I hope to see you in my next video.